Hello, friends. Friends, are you looking for a complete knowledge of accurate and complete export documentation and procedures? This course, all export documentation and procedures, any origin, is the right course for you. I have brought this course for you to get the entire conceptual knowledge about the significance of different types of pre-shipment documents, post-shipment documents, and regulatory documents, and understanding the complete game of export documentation and procedures. This course also contains concepts on how to deal with the international export control regulations and compliance, what compliances are required for that, so that you become confident, you are able to impress your international overseas buyers with your knowledge, and he or she feels confident that you understand this whole game of export documentation and procedures and complete operations and is willing to give you the export orders. In this course, I have brought in very special and exclusive case studies, practical case studies based on my own research and exposure with the practical world. And with so many good examples that will help you to understand the practical difficulties faced by the exporters. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to make an exciting international trade career in international operations, including marketing, and want to become a successful exporter. For last so many years, this course is the bestseller on Udemy platform with more than 13,000 unique students and more than 650 reviews given for this course. You can see this rating, latest rating of this course. These students have been giving very positive rating with great words on the course, as you can see here. My name is Dr. Vijesh Jain. With my more than 35 years of practical experience, having worked with international companies in different countries and exporting many different types of products and commodities to different countries and handling their complex operations, dealing with banks, dealing with customs, shipping companies, freight forwarders, government authorities, and consular offices. With my practical knowledge and my corporate training experience in this area, and writing and publishing more than 16 books in export import operations, marketing, all aspects of export import business, I have brought this course as the flagship course of a unique export import courses mastery series on Udemy, having more than 24 courses with more than 150,000 unique students, having highly rated the overall series of these courses on Udemy. This course is a replica of the actual workshops done for the working executives in various large companies hundreds of times in past more than 10 years by me, and securing their feedback and improvements in the course and the contents. What are you waiting for? Join this course.